time to brush our teeth. Where is my toothpaste? There it is. Put some water. Okay, time for brushing. I don't know how to brush well. I need license. I don't want to get cavities. I brush his tongue. Okay, all done. Oh. What should I eat today? What should I eat today? Let's go outside. Oh no. Okay, we're outside. Okay, let's go for a little walk. Okay, so where we're going today is, I don't know where we're going, but I'm sure it will be fun. It's called the park. Let's go. Okay. Oh, it's sunny today. It's a nice weather today. Today we're going to the park. It's a car. Okay, let's go. Oh, is that tennis? Oh, that is cool, tennis. Never heard of that before. It must be some type of sport. Okay. Okay, let's go. Let's go to the park. Oh, sand. Oh, the slide. Whee! Oh, that was fun. Oh, what's over here? Arr! Raise a flag! I'm a pirate! Whoa! It's going real fast! Whoa! Whoa! Now, what is this? Another slide? Let's go down it! Whee! Oh, that was a little small. Okay. The swings! Ah, the swings! I want to ride on it. Whee! 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 Whoa! Oh, that hurts. Oh man, the monkey bars. Let's go on. Ah! Sorry about that. Yeah. Okay, I got this. Oh, Uncle. Oh man, my back. I think I just broke my bones. I want to go home. Bye, park. Bye-bye. Man, I got sand all over me now. Bye, don't forget to like and subscribe.